Hi everyone, this is William speaking. Here is the number 3 function that you may need to know about the color mark function. What we name is like this one, label C. Label is the color mark of the belt that can confirm your position. It is controlled by over there, you see. Yeah, that's the eye sensor, photographic eyes or color mark sensor. And first of all, this machine is moving the photographic sensor. This one is like a left lucid and can be left and right, okay? And you lose this one can be go from and back. So left and right is selecting the position of the color mark that you have, maybe outer, maybe more inner. And this one, back and front, is like controlling the cutting position. So this practice field is almost finished. We found color mark. We go back to this one. First, you need to figure out what's the bed length. Let's see, this one is from here downstairs to here, end of the color mark. Right now this one is like a 10 cm, or you check that one, okay? Is around 1.3, or let's say 1.14, okay? And normally we set on the touch screen 115, or you can just modify to 116 or 117. Should be bigger than what you have, okay? And then the second thing is that we should find the signal of the eyes mount. We touch it, pass through for this bad one. You will see the sensor, they have a light here. On off should be blinking. On and off. That means it touched the color mark. See that? Okay, that's the second thing you need to know. If you cannot touch it very well, you should first lose the screw to control it left and right. I'm not going to do that because that will be easy. Just remember, the light should be like on and off when it's passed by the color mark. Now we try to run it. Let's begin. See that? It's cutting long correctly. It's cutting, should be cutting here or there. Right now it's all wrong about the cutting. So what should we do? Like what I told you here, you lose the two screws that control the front and back. With the biggest model that we have over there, it's the same idea. Right now you just see, it looks like much more better. Sorry for the noisy, that's the workshop. Okay, that's it. You see when you move it, the position is changing. The position is changing, okay? This one is cutting like here from the color mark. This one is much more closer. That means we should move with the same direction a little bit more. Again, just losing. Lock again. That's the one control the cutter. Okay, begin. We also open the link back with Y. See that? From the cutters to the calamar is almost there. It will be like just one more time after adjust. Right now is perfect. See that? That will be easier, you can see. This one is perfect. This one is almost okay. And this one is the second time that you can see. Okay, so that's the function you need to know. Again, with the small one and the bigger one, you should open the touch screen with the level C function and then figure it out what's your back length and make it a 20 mm or 13 mm larger size, and try one more time. Then double confirm the light of the sensor on and off when the calamar pass through. And if not okay, just control left and right, and then you try to test. That's the first thing you get, and you should move from and back with the cutting position. Okay, that's it. See you next time. Bye.